Before we progress, where am I? How do I find my location? What should I search for? Who should I ask? When this question comes to your mind, what is the solution? Now, there is a way to solve this problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your location using Google Voice. Just easy. In this process, there are two ways in Google Voice you can use. Let's look at it this way. You are lost and you don't know where you are. First, on your data, mobile data and location. Like this. And location. The center button. Press it here. Just say, where is my location now?
Your current location is New York, New York.
Every other thing you need to know about your location is on the down column here. See it here. That's it. Every other thing you need to know about is here. Now let's move to process 2. Process 2. Let's move to process. If you can't speak, then press on the center button again. Now click on the keyboard icon, then type in, where is my location now? Everything you need to know about your location is on the down section. This works in every Android associated with Google. You can also call it Google Assistant. Don't forget to increase this channel by subscribing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget also to like this video. Also, check out the next video. You might like or need it, so check out.